The Xcmg 70-ton telescopic boom truck crane is an efficient and powerful all-terrain crane designed for complex working conditions and high-load operations. With a maximum lifting capacity of up to 70 tons, it can easily handle heavy lifting tasks in large equipment lifting, construction site operations, and other industrial projects. The crane uses advanced hydraulic technology and intelligent control systems to ensure accurate and safe lifting operations and greatly improve operating efficiency. The Xcmg 70-ton telescopic boom truck crane's strong structure and high-strength steel materials give the crane excellent durability and continue to provide excellent performance even in harsh working environments. Whether it is port lifting, steel plant handling, or high-rise building construction, it can perfectly cope with it and become an indispensable and important equipment for various lifting tasks.